Kwa hivyo nikitaja server ni kwa sababu swala moja ambalo liko katika majadiliano litakuwa ni kufungua server. Mheshimiwa Spika, mambo ya maandamano ni haki yetu kama Wakenya katika ibara ya 37. Nimeona maandamano yakitokea hata kule Uasin Gishu kwa sababu watu wanataka pesa yao ya kwenda ambayo walilipa ya kwenda ng'ambo. Pia hiyo server pia ni lazima ifunguliwe tujue nini ambacho kilikuwa kimetokea. Mheshimiwa Spika,
Senator Methu. Order, Senator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for giving me an opportunity. I rise to support this particular motion, and in the words of Senator Oburu, he says that we are supporting and opposing. We are supporting and giving reservations. I think that is a little difference that is there. Of course, because we have our own reasons. Even, my position as to why I would want to support this, because the leader of majority and the leader of minority have spoken and have said that it is fair that we allow people to speak. But I feel in my heart that there's a question that we are not addressing and cannot be addressed by the 10-member committee of the dialogue committee. Number one, Mr. Speaker, in my opinion, I feel that the best national dialogue happened on the 9th of August, Mr. Speaker, and the people of Kenya spoke. 50 million of the people of Kenya spoke to this particular issue, and they voted for William Ruto. There is nothing that the 10-member committee can do to it. The final and the apex of that matter was at the Supreme Court. There's nothing that Kimani Ichung'wah and Kalonzo Musyoka can do to that particular fact. William Ruto will be our president, and there's nothing that will change. Whether you do audit of the server, whatever you do to it, that matter has been rested, Mr. Speaker. Then number two, Mr. Speaker, I would want to understand, Mr. Speaker, now that people were on the streets and businesses were destroyed, both public and private, and people died, how will the national dialogue address to the person who lost their son, to the person who lost their property, and to the, the losses that we got as a country, Mr. Speaker? Because, Mr. Speaker, this behavior of I'm twisting government every time, and Senator Oburu says that this is the first dialogue. This is not the first dialogue, Mr. Speaker. This is not the first national dialogue, Mr. Speaker. The only constant thing is the players, Mr. Speaker, is that every time there's an election,